Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I First. And all things that's good. See? Welcome our viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Make we grow the thing, because you don't know, you see? We make a muckle. See? Yes, I. So, I'm going to say a little video go around, a little funny video with a Rasta man. See? I'm going to watch it in a bit and then I'm going to my opinion. See? Yes, right. See? The video funny in one more ways than one. You know, see it. And watch what I go on and make we have a whole reasoning after. See? Yes, I.
Go abroad to get great job opportunities, right? So this is my father. He had a stroke like 2 years ago, so he's unable to speak. He can't even speak his name properly, right? As you can see, he's a bit deformed in the hand as well, and if he stands up, he actually falls. Daddy. Alright, he doesn't want to do that, right? But he has done a lot of things for us, even unspeakable things, because at one point he had to actually
Me nah blood clot. Me say me not.
That easy enough, please.
Easy what? Go there, you fucking
me
idiot.
can't crop out that, Daddy. Me can't crop out that. Me can't crop out that. Come now, me can't crop out that.
You say you have to like kick.
That
Time for you kick.
Alright, cool.
The bumbo clot idiot there.
Sorry. I already know I'm serious.
Rascal.
So, as I said, he has always gone above and beyond for us, right? So, sometimes he...
So it's something I'll catch you in.
No, this is not that it's a record. We can crop it out and put them together a good part. Then, so that's alright. So, at one point, he went to prison for 2 years because he stole a lot. He has done unspeakable things like sell his body.
Hey girl, go suck your mama and go for it. Nobody with. When you say sell body, what that mean? What? Don't go me now. When I tell people about sell body, what that mean? Me no want me nah. Me say me nah do it because you know no fucking sense.
Alright. Me not gonna say that part.
Blood clot idiot, listen.
Crop out that.
Alright, listen me.
Listen up, don't crop out that. Easy now.
We can't bother with
Me
phone
and crop
pussy
out that.
clot idiot.
Come, go and sit down.
But you don't know where you chat.
Listen.
You make it now, you laugh. How the blood clot up, you laugh. How the pussy clot. I don't know how to scam people for I'm not fucking idiot.
Right. So, as I said...
Listen me, this can't work, for you can't hack.
Daddy,
You're not a hacker, you're a puppet.
Dad, listen up. We can't crop out this.
Yes, brothers and sisters. You know, I know I want to see this, I want to see a girl I do a viral with her father and thing like that, a funny viral, you know? And them sort of thing. But you know what I see? You see, living evidence of the blatant disregard for the moral fabric of Rastafari. You know, see? I see a grown man now with long locks, and he made grey beard and everything. Plan with him daughter for go con people out there and tell them say him have a sickness and him need money for help. See? Now, you see the message behind that now is as people go and realize say, it's not everybody from Jamaica who come on the net and a beg and a seek assistance. It's for real. Whole heap of them are fake. It's a scamming culture. Seeing that has developed. Seeing at the moment the big man here say a money can make that way. If people sorry for you. The big Rasta man take himself and go and sit down in front of camera with him arm in a string. I profess to every and anybody out there, even some old lady, some old fragile lady, we're going to depend them last in a seat, but live them life with immeasurable compassion for the rest of humanity, so they prepare for share even the last bit of medication that them have with anybody. You wouldn't know that. Seeing, it's like you just condition your mind and tell yourself, says, be a rich, fortunate people that send come help you. Whole heap of cases, people who help you need help themselves as well. And usually people who need help as themselves with the possibility of needing help one day, reach out and help. You know, so rich people are willing and prepared. Rich people are willing for help. You wouldn't have no suffering. You wouldn't have no poor people. You know, see it, and all of them things are open and readily awareness for Rasta. You know, see it. When Rasta have all purpose or a person will go up there now, put him on in a sling, and I tell the world, say him catch a strokes and things like that. I mean, the whole of we grow in a Jamaica, we grow up and know say, you know, if you call on crosses by yourself. We know say when we are con people, we don't use sickness, we don't use funeral, we don't use death and mourning and them horror story there, because at the end of the day, we don't want it come down upon we. You see, real people use sickness now is as them have one broke foot and call 50 man and tell them say him want to do an x-ray for the same broke foot, and the 50 man send 50 x-ray you know, assistant come give him. You see it? Like a 50 foot him have. You see, but really and truly, Jamaicans are never usually people where find themselves in that level of desperation. Even the scammer them nowadays, the real scammer them perpetrate a sickness or nothing like that. Them just do for them thing, them just make a promise, make some promises to some people who feel like say, yeah, but when really, you know, a big man I got dead there do that, and you see what the whole, you know, the girl say you used to sell your body and things like that. Because if you prepare, if you don't stand for nothing in a Rasta, you prepare for fall for anything and find yourself in any trap. That's all. You know, it becomes a joke. That's what you used to sell your body. And body selling becomes a joke now and things like that. Because all I go on younger go against the daughter and make she know say she can't act, she don't know if you scam people. You're more disappointed in a she than you is in yourself. And I'm more disappointed in you more than even the people that were organize this new challenge. You know, see, and everything. And I feel involved in a Rasta. You know, see. So when everybody I watch a video there and laugh at that thing that concern me the most, and I make sure say it before somebody else say it and make I wireless nightmare be a reality. That is fake bogus business, Rasta, and it's not appreciated. You see, man, if you fix up them folly ground and do better than that. You see, consider your order. You see, know your authority, know your responsibility in the earth. Man come here to be an example. You see, an example of purity. You see, it's impossible, but the example must be that it is possible and every attempt is being made to achieve that level. You see, even though no man not perfect. You see, but you know, with your in and your out, man, things that we have the man, if you try them example, if you try emulate, Especially as a Rasta man, you're supposed to have pension for, you know, carry all your picnic and your grandchildren, them down the path there. Type of thing where you prepare for go, you know, be them cool. You know, them, why, you know, it's hard and it's unacceptable, Rasta. We don't take it, you know, see, and them look at things that cause the deterioration of the culture and the diminishment of the respect, the respectability where Rasta as a group, as a movements entertain amongst the authorities, men and people and things like that. You know, see it. You see it. Remember at one point when police are passed pan a corner Rasta, if one Rasta there, them nobody stop. Them just tell themselves that the corner they're cool. See? Me remember that Rasta, no man can't tell me say a lie, me I tell. Me remember that too. The man remember everything about Rasta, me remember that too. Soldier and police are pass and one Rasta upon the corner. And the soldier them yell him up, yes Ras. Police, yes Ras, and gone. And nobody where them know or anybody where them affair. It's just them know say the Ras nah entertain certain things and him nah dead certain things dead. That was the accolade and the respect when me experience Rasta with the authority. When me experience Rasta with in a Jamaica. And at this it come to know. These days a guy want go scam people and go viral in a it gay allegation a launch run you as a joke. You know, see that, you know. Again, it's the portrayal, self-portrayal why people diminish, you know, the type of trick and joke where them pull or run. We don't say you're too serious. Even His Majesty must have time when him and certain people can crack a one joke and a muster. You see, but again, it's the portrayal of yourself bring, you know, make them involved in the type, the taste, the quality jokes that them see are really, you know, that necessitate your character. You see it. So in your case now is a joke where it was a gay prostitute. You see it, and I just saw them thing they go. Well away go and remember you as the Ras there, where you get caught in that joke there. When you see it, we not a reason for say what's true, but we just that you get known by, you know, so the Ras get caught in that joke there. Somebody trick him and make him tell him things that they must scam. Someone suspecting people have some money. And him just go sit down there and post because him know him part of the same and encourage him and him a part of it. You know, see it. So, you know, we don't accept that. It's a total diminishment. I man enjoy, appreciate and accept the respect and the responsibility where society did adorn I and I with, rather than them little dibby petty, hungry belly behavior you know. The hungry not different now from then. The opportunities is not more. It's not less. You see, so I don't want to feel like, so well then, things did better. So, man could have did afford for entertain certain principle and discipline. Things never better. You see, things might even be better now. More accessible, more access, more resource and things like that for Rasta than back then. You know, see, as time evolve, I saw people acceptance and principles evolve regarding Rastafari in Jamaica. You know, see it. You know, see it. So, it's petty attitude like them here contribute to the moral decay of the community, within the community. You know, see it. And we can call it out and identify it because some original people still there will see what go on and know what go on and I observe the whole thing, see me. You know, see it. So let me say, a harvest time and I'm buying the past harvest now. You know, see it. I separate the wheat from the tares. You know, see it. Screw face and Militant look, now work. Actions. You see, you have to maintain that self-preservation there. That's all you have. You create your own nobility type of thing. You know, see it, Rasta. You know, see. And we're not dog, no bark when we make them chat there. Seeing to the best of our ability, we love them act and them actions and them thought process they clean up. You see, because it all equal to bowings in the long run. No matter what go on, people are laugh after you. You know, see, it's not acceptable, Rasta. You know, see, from where we are come from to where there's a man them take to turn this thing in automatical. No most man just turn it in a commercial gain. You know, see it. Not acceptable. Seeing? You know, see it. So it can be it's all a good thing too when we find say that type of joke they reach you. You know, see, because it's fitting, it's well deserved type of thing. Because when them type of guy that is prepared for do them thing there with them pension, them, you know, that's the self-reliance, and if certain things can happen, it happen, but if you get caught out like that, you just get caught out, and it is what it is, Rasta. You see, father used to sell yachty. Father used to sell batty. I don't think my children them would have really think say that is something where it's not gonna be an acceptable joke to I don't think so, Rasta. Anyway, and I give thanks here, sir. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.